It has been a week of transitions, summer to fall, and the removal of a long-time Mesonet site. Monday afternoon at 4:20, Oklahoma air temperatures ranged from 40 degrees at Boise City in the Panhandle to 94 degrees at Idabel in the southeast. That's a change of 54 degrees across the state. This Mesonet map shows the sweeping away of summer and the entry of fall. Tuesday morning lows came in at 30 degrees at Kenton and Boise City. Only 6 Mesonet sites made it to 50 or above. Most locations were in the mid-40s in central Oklahoma, except El Reno with its low of 35 degrees. Wednesday morning was cooler across the central part of the state, with many Mesonet sites in the 30s or low 40s. Only one site, Eva at 30 degrees, had a morning low below freezing. El Reno was noticeably cooler than surrounding sites with a low of 33 degrees. Wednesday morning, the Ninnekah Mesonet site was retired. It had been collecting data since January 1st, 1994. If you were using Ninnekah, switch over to the Chickasha Mesonet site. The Chickasha site is 5 miles to the north. Here's Gary with a look at our drought impact from our recent rainfall.
Thanks, Alan. Good morning, everyone. Well, now last week I did promise you a much better looking drought monitor map, and that's what we got. It's not perfect, and I'll show you why in a moment, but let's go right now and take a look. So we did see a large reduction in the abnormally dry and moderate drought that was splashed across much of northern Oklahoma, especially northeastern Oklahoma. Unfortunately, we did have to increase that D1 moderate drought, that's the light tan area down in southeastern Oklahoma, just a little bit, but that's our stronghold of drought right now, the southeast and up into northeastern and east central Oklahoma. If we look at the 10-day rainfall map, and of course this was from Wednesday back, we do see a large portion of the state had received from 2 to 4 inches, and of course that area up in north central and northeastern Oklahoma saw a large amount of rainfall, very heavy rainfall, from 4 to as much as 8 inches of rain, and of course that will wipe out drought in a hurry. But we do see those lighter blues and lighter greens down across the southern and southeastern portion of the state, and even some portions of northwestern Oklahoma where the help was not quite as much as what was needed, and that's where we see the remnants of the abnormally dry conditions and also the moderate drought. So if we look at the departure from normal rainfall map from the Mesonet, this is for the 30 days from September 11th through October 10th. Again, we see where those areas, that stronghold down in southeastern Oklahoma, where the deficits are still from 3 to 4 inches, a little bit of deficit up in north central and northeastern Oklahoma, also across over there in east central Oklahoma. That's where that abnormally dry and moderate drought do persist. And we can go back even further and see those areas more pronounced, just a little bit. So it is a battle between the shorter term 30-day deficits and the longer term 60-day deficits. But again, across northern Oklahoma, down into east central and especially southeastern Oklahoma. So that is the area down in southeastern Oklahoma where we see the largest deficits and also the most amount of moderate drought. Now it does look like we're into an extended period of dry weather again, but at least it's been a little bit cooler. So hopefully we won't see a rapid enhancement of drought and get some rain in here eventually and start wiping out drought like we did across northern Oklahoma. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.